Hello everyone, now I'm doing unboxing video of Indian Wave. This is Indian Wave from Prima Afro. Guys, I'm so in love with the packaging. It's beautiful. As you can see, the color combination, everything is nice about this packaging. Okay guys, let's open the pack and see the hair inside. This is our Indian Wave. Okay, the color that I have on my hand, it's color 1. This product is available in different colors. What I also like about this hair, one pack it's enough for full head. As you can see, it comes with 2 bundles. So these bundles are enough for one head. You don't need to buy many packs, guys. One pack it's enough. Okay, what I also love about the hair, the texture, guys, it's so soft and silky, and it's also tangle free. As you can see that I'm running my fingers through the hair, there's no tangle. You can see it's flicking so nice. The curls are beautiful. You can install this hair, like do the cornrows, sew it on your cornrows, or you can also make a wig with this product. It's so nice. It is 100% heat resistant. That means if you don't want it to be curly like this, you can use your hair straightener to make it straight, or you can change the curls, make them bigger or smaller. It's up to you. But this product, it's a high quality product. It is 100% heat resistant. This hair is also washable. You can wash this hair. Don't worry about the curls. The curls will always be there. They will snap back on position when the hair is completely dry. Please, please, please go and get your Indian Wave from Prima Afro. Thanks for watching the video. Bye.
Total Hair Collection Afro Text.